Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Kubernetes SIG Cluster Lifecycle Cluster API Release Team meeting for June 17th, 2025. Um, this is a Kubernetes SIG meeting, which means we abide by the CNCF Code of Conduct, which generally means be groovy to each other and be nice. It also means like you should raise your hand in Zoom if you want to talk. Thankfully, we're a smaller group, so we can get away with some interruptions if it's appropriate. So feel free. Yeah, let's jump into it. So this is the week where we put out a couple of point releases for the 1.9.1.10 branch and our second alpha release for the 1.11 branch. Um, Chandan's already submitted the PRs for the um, release notes, and we're going to keep coordinating async over Slack for that today. I can't really do a big long live stream, but I think it's going to go pretty smooth anyway. So, all right. But I'm going to. Oh, right. I wanted to plug one thing before I go around the horn with everyone's team updates. There is an issue that I believe someone has assigned themselves to, so that's cool. I don't know who Arshad is, but thank you, Arshad. But there is a question of whether or not all the test framework tests are running in CI. And I just wanted to call that out so that folks saw that this is a thing, because all the CI folks might be interested in delving into that and see what's going on, whether or not they're running, whether or not they're not, what the simplest way to get to fixing that is. Um, and I don't know if Arshad's one of the CI team members this time around, but can also work with him if you can find him, him, her, whoever. Anyway, yeah. So that's a great little thing that the maintainers have identified. That's like the perfect sort of thing to work on if you want help with things. All right, cool. That's all I got. Hi, Matt. Want to tell us about CI?
Hey, Chris. Things look okay. There's always more flakes than you want to see, but yeah, I would say nothing is new and nothing rises to the level of we should not do a patch release. So I think we have a handle on everything. Nonetheless, some of the flakes that we know about continue to crop up, so we'll try to make some progress. And then, yeah, thanks for pointing out this test framework thing. I missed when Fabrizio entered that, but I don't know who this person is, but I see that they've contributed reasonably
Okay,
regularly to Cappy, so I think I'll just let them run with it for a day and keep an eye on it. And
sounds good.
if we're not making any progress, we can dig in. But I guess I would discourage CI people from stepping on unless you're really excited about it. But usually, if someone's actually assigned it to themselves, I stay out of their way for some amount of time.
Sounds good to me. All right,
Plus, we have other failing tests that we could look into if people really have free
that's
time.
true.
So
Yeah, I figured this one would be a lot easier, is all.
I think it would be, yeah. So hopefully they get somewhere.
Yeah.
That's
All
all.
right. Thank you, Chandan. Anything updates for Com Team?
Not much, not anything new from the last. All good.
Okay. Um, I already listed out the current release 111 tasks for this week. We can look at the board, which I think is just going to be same as last week. Lots of options of things to delve into if you got the time. Um, and I don't have the time right now, sadly. But yeah, they're out there, and that's all I'll say. All right. Now, generally, I want to open up for questions, concerns, ideas, needs, complaints. Matt.
Um, so we're going to do it over Zoom. We're going to do the release. Pardon me. Are you available? Because if you're not, just let us know and we can,
I
you know,
think I'll be
review
able
things.
to I think I'll be able to make it work, but if I start getting overwhelmed, I will just bow out so that things can go smoothly and I'll ask for your help. Is there drop dead time that I need to let you know by before?
No, not really. I'm
Okay.
I'm here. I'll just watch Slack.
Okay.
And I just know you said you're starting a new job and things are a little busy today, so
Yeah, and
let us know.
I think it'll be a good exercise to see how flexible they are. So may as well
Yeah,
do the hard stuff early so that becomes the norm. Um, But yeah, if that's not going to work out, I'll let you know. I've got like a
sounds
small
good.
meeting, but other than that, it should be good. I think
Cool.
async will be fine. Thank you for your help and for offering to take it over. Cool. All right. Well, with that, I'm going to call this an end to the meeting. Nice and short. Thanks everyone for showing up. If you have anything else you need, you know where to find us on Slack and the Cluster API release channel, and we'll see you next week.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
guys. Thank you.
Goodbye.